how to harvest seeds like a pro. After watching this video, you'll get the seeds out of the fruit in seconds. Let's remove the seeds of this mellow cactus fruit. It's an easier task. After this, we're gonna go pro. We're gonna remove seeds from a Mammillaria vibornensis, which have tons of seeds from a single fruit. See this? We need to rinse this properly to remove the slime. How do you harvest your seeds? Please let us know in the comments below. Air dry for a few minutes and we're done. Now let's do the harder one. Look at the seeds. It will be very time consuming if you do it manually by hand. So it's very fast if we use this technique. Do you remember what's the next thing we want to do? Yes, you're right. Rinse the slime away. Don't forget to rinse it properly and air dry. We're not done yet. We need to do these important things as well. But before we go to the next important step, I'll show you how it looks like after air drying first. Here they are. See how easy it is to harvest these seeds. As important as the process, having a tag, what kind of cactus it is, and when did you harvest the seeds will help a lot in the long run. Have a look. And this is the reason why I put them in individual bond paper. If you like this content, please subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified when we upload new videos. Please watch this next video.